In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize a route using Flightmap. First, you need to add agents. An agent can be added either through uploading a CSV or through an add agent form. In this example, let's start by uploading a CSV. So click on Upload Multiple button, download the sample file, then make required changes in the sample file and upload it on the system. So here we can see two drivers added on the platform. So now let's add some tasks for our agents. The task view also allows us to add multiple tasks via uploading a CSV or through a task details form. Let's upload a sample file and see how it looks like. So here we have uploaded 8 tasks for our drivers. Now let's try to add one more task and see how the flow works. Click on the add a stop button, enter the address, set the delivery time window as per the requirement, then click on add task. So before optimizing these routes, review your project settings. Click on the settings icon. Here you can see all the information that will impact the routes. You can set the break in between, which is a constant wait time before moving to a next stop. That means a driver waits for this amount of time when he reaches that particular stop. You can add vehicle constraints like distance constraint, time constraint. So time constraint can be a driver is allowed to work only these many hours. Distance constraint that could be a driver can travel at most these many kilometers or meters. Then you can set the detour and you can also set the maximum visits. This is the maximum number of visits a driver can complete in his shift. Once you're done with the settings, click on Optimize Routes. This screen will show you all the optimized routes. As you can see, 9 of the 9 tasks are optimized. So and a task can remain unoptimized if it does not satisfy a constraint. For instance, if the driver shift is between 9 to 2 and the task delivery time is of 6 p.m., so that task will remain unassigned. So you have some actions like duplicate a project. Duplicating a project means you copy all the tasks and start as a new project. In that project, you can add more tasks, edit a task, add agents, etc. You can also export routes. This will export all the routes into an Excel sheet. Next is the Kanban view. The Kanban view shows you all the vehicles that you added and all the tasks that have been assigned to these drivers. So as you can see, to optimize 8 stops as per constraints, we do not require a second driver. It can be completed by the same driver.